Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. How do we gauge someone who is great? Paano nga ba natin siya makikilala na siya ay magaling at dakila? Maybe in terms of our daily living and even in our ordinary life circumstances, someone who is great may be someone who got all merits. Madaming award, madaming alam, madaming nagagawa. But let us try to see how Jesus would gauge greatness. He left us with these words in today's gospel. Whoever obeys and teaches these commandments will be called greatest in the kingdom of heaven. Not about merits, but how you obey and teach the will, the words, and the life of God. And this sums the story in our first reading today from the first book of Kings. Elijah asked these people for them to prepare young bulls. Mayroon young bulls that those who would believe Baal would have a young bull for them, and he also prepared some for him who believe, or someone for them who believes in God. He was trying to convince them, or even convince him, if this Baal is true, call on him. Let fire consume this young bull. Ginawa na nila ang lahat. Sumayaw na sila, nilakasan na nila ang kanilang pagtawag, wala pa ring nangyari. But to them who believe in God, a simple prayer raised up or roused in them. Let it be known that this day you are God in Israel, and that I am your servant, and have done all of these things by your command. And then fire consumed the young bull. Take note that Elijah even commanded that the bull be watered 3 times. And you know how water can even cut the interaction of fire to something. Alibes ng pilihan ng tubig, pero nabuo pa rin ng apoy. At nakilala ng tao, hindi nga totoong Diyos, ang totoong Diyos, yung naniniwalaan ni Elias. Greatest, someone is great, who lead others to know that there is a true and loving God. My dear sisters and brothers, this is just telling us that greatness is not only about having merits, but letting others believe that there is a true and loving God present. Make it your joy that the one who helped you pass through these days of life was a loving and true God. Sino ba ang tulong sa iyong mairaos ang mga araw ito? O yung kakayanan mo, yung totoong Diyos ang tumulong sa iyong tumawid o maiaw ang araw nito. If there is something that you want to be a witness today, it is that loving God made you present today, that loving God is capable of doing your mission today. Make that your agenda today. Not only your work, not only your family life, but be great. Not by having merits, but by letting others know that there is a true and a loving God present until today. This is what we need today in the midst of everything, in the anxiety of what will happen in the next, of what's going to unfold in our history. Someone who is great, not with medals, but great in telling the story of Jesus and letting Jesus felt alive and true through his works, through his love, and through one's life.